Grogu.
Hello, YouTube. Apparently this is me. I look like Grogu. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi.
Don't make the crazy faces, you. Weirdo. Okay, yeah. This is Evaporust. See? Evaporust. It's kind of stinky, but watch. Ooh. Right, we're going to lift this up here so you can see. You're going to help me. You know what you're going to do? It's not that bad. Wait, let me lift the camera up here a little. Come on. There we go. What you're going to do is... Let's take this out of here for a second. Look, took all the rust off the bottle, see? Cool, huh? Just kidding. Take these. Look, take this. Drop them in there. Put them in there. This, be careful. That'll put in there by myself. It's got a sharp thing in it.
Drop them in?
Put on the side here.
Here?
In here, in the basket.
Oh.
Put it in there. Yeah, gotta get them to lay flat. Let's take this out of there too. It's okay. Put it in the back bucket. Okay, put it in the bucket. Put it in the bucket. Put them all in the bucket. This one doesn't have to be in there. Put that in there anyway. Make sure they all go under the water here. See? Drop them in there. It's not horrible. Oh, look at that. Look, see? On this side. All in one. So it all goes in the water. See? All in the water. See? So they all go underwater. See?
There's some got on my nose.
Uh-oh. It's going to burn a hole through your nose. I'm just kidding. See, you got to put them all face down like that, see? What we're doing is we're evaporusting a bunch of files. So we're going to put that back in there, see?
Ew, why do you have a water bottle?
Because when you put water in here, it raises the temp. See, it raises the water height so that everything gets under there, see? But we got to fix this because there's too much shit there.
It smells like pee.
Smells like pee? Hear that, folks? The Evaporust smells like pee. You're kind of right, actually. It does smell like pee. But anyway, we got pee-pee rust here. And I'll wipe my hands off. Don't forget, folks, if you like my channel, you like my partner here helping, like and subscribe. We're a team, right? Are we a team? Yeah. Check this out. Who's this?
Grogu Dada.
That's Grogu Dada. Middle finger. Yeah. Scared ya. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to take this out tomorrow, make another video, and we'll do one video, follow-up video. And she's just going to entertain you in the background. Thanks for watching. Say goodbye.
Bye.